What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and TONIC fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video, man. It's crazy. I was on YouTube and I got recommended some videos from other content creators that cover TONIC as well, using my thumbnails. And I was like, what is happening? Why are people using my thumbnails, right? But it's cool. I'm out here inspiring and my channel isn't even at 10k subscribers yet, you know. Shout outs to all the content creators out there, because sometimes obviously I get ideas from bigger content creators as well. So that is absolutely fine, you know. It was just so interesting to me. I smiled when I saw it, and you know, it was super funny, man. It was super funny. And also shout out to Chef Benny for the super comment. I think he gave me around 10 pounds. Let me see if I can find that. Which video was it? I'm not even sure. Hold on. Was it this video? Yep, right here. Chef Benny. Shout outs to you, man. Thank you so much for the support. The 10 pounds really helps the channel out. Guys, if you guys could continuously support the channel like this, man, become a channel member. You know, drop a super comment. You know, it really helps the channel out, because I'll do my best to continuously give you guys this content. A lot of people doubt that TONIC could absolutely go bonkers in the future, and I beg to differ, right? Look at the TVL for TONIC. A 10x for TONIC, to me, definitely is going to be locked in. But who knows? It could go to a 50x, 100x. TONIC from here, guys, a 10x, more than likely is locked in from here, because look at the TVL. It has $200 million or so locked in TVL. So a 10x from here to $200 million or so, $230 million, $240 million in market cap. That is a 10x from here. But I wouldn't be shocked if TONIC goes to $1 billion in market cap in the next cycle, right? I wouldn't be shocked. You know how many projects got to 1 billion in the past bull cycle that were just meme coins? Like, TONIC is not a meme coin. It has actual utility. They had so many projects got to billions of market cap in the last cycle. I can name them, right? Not gonna mention other projects here, but getting to billions of market cap in a bull run is not anything crazy. It's not. it's not difficult for billions of market cap in a bull run. It really isn't, as long as the project has enough attention, right? Because Crow may go to even more insane levels than many people predict, and TONIC could do the same. Who knows? TONIC could go to $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion in market cap. There was a meme coin in the last cycle that went to $7 billion in market cap, right? And that was just people on Ethereum buying that project with so much hype behind it. And there were so many other meme coins in the last cycle that got to billions of market cap, right? Who's to say TONIC can't do the same? And this, like I said, this is a use case project. Where do most people go where the most retail go to purchase crypto in their first time in crypto, right? They use tier 1 centralized exchanges, crypto.com, Binance, Coinbase. TONIC still doesn't have a Binance or Coinbase listing, and that is still a possibility. But even without those two, it still has crypto.com that it is listed on, and a lot of retail investors are gonna see TONIC and see all the zeros and psychologically think, whoa, look at how much zeros this could eat. This could eat so many zeros. I apologize for the neighbor's dogs, guys, but this project could eat so many zeros. Imagine if it gets to 1 cent, 10 cent. And this could happen, maybe not the next cycle, but the next cycle after that, the next cycle after that, as long as the project stays around. But people that are buying right now, you guys could get out around a 50x, 100x, right? What would be 100x from here? 10x would be 10, 100x would be 2 zeros, right? It only has to get 2 zeros. I think that's how it works. It only has to eat 2 zeros for you guys to be up crazily from here, right? I don't really calculate by the zeros. I calculate by market cap. But yeah, $1 billion in market cap for TONIC, maybe 2 billion. Who's to say you could rule that out? in a bull cycle, a lot of crazy stuff happens. Just like in the bear market, a lot of people didn't expect Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX to collapse. Everyone, all of the influencers, all of the famous people, all of the top investors liked Sam Bankman-Fried, said he was a genius, said he was an inspiration, said he was this, that, and he was so young, right? And look at what happened there. Look at Celsius, look at Voyager, look at look at 3AC, look at Luna, and what happened there in the bear market. Things that people could never expect, not predict at all. So imagine the things that could happen in a bull market that people never expect and never predict at all. I can't be realistic, guys. I'm sorry. Anytime I'm realistic in crypto, I lose out on massive gains. I can't be realistic. Sometimes you have to be a little bit unrealistic when it comes to crypto, because anytime they say this is not possible, more than likely it's possible. It happens, right? And yeah, we've been going, I've been you know, ranting for a bit, but yeah, TONIC, you know, following the market. We're literally, Bitcoin just took a huge dunk to the downside. Look at this. So TONIC is following Bitcoin. It literally just took a huge dump, man. Nice dump, you know. And why would it be nice? Not a nice dump, but a correction, huge dump to the downside. The bears are salivating, the bears are happy, they're out of hibernation. We're going to 10K. Really don't think so. I think we're just having a dump down. Maybe we correct for a few more days. This market is gonna be so choppy. Look at TONIC literally following Bitcoin on the 7-day, bro. It's hand in hand, bro. Literally hand in hand on the 1 day. And you know, eventually we're gonna see the markets turn around, guys. But I really think this year is just gonna be a whole lot of chop. It's gonna be a choppy year, and it's just gonna be a bunch of fake outs. Sometimes Bitcoin is up, sometimes it's down. We might range between the 22K and 30K range. That's probably where Bitcoin is gonna be ranging. But there's gonna be a point where we see that parabolic move, and then it's over. Okay, it's gone. It's done, right? Guys, if you're finding value in the channel, shout out to KD, Johnny L, Lamar, Joe B, you know, other people shilling their projects in the comments. But yeah, shout outs to everybody, man. If you guys are finding value in these videos, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become a channel member, or you know, support with a super comment, right? Just like Chef did. Thanks again so much, Chef. And we're just gonna go through a bit of the community tab on CoinMarketCap. TONIC to the moon. I just claimed a bounty of 2.4 million TONIC for 4 crore. That's very rare. There is a bounty amount. So some bullish stuff from James By. Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. It's super fun, man. People guys, why are you guys stressing so much in the beer? Why are there people that are so you know, I don't even think we're in the beer right now. I think we're just in accumulation. The constant downward trend has ended. Now it's just gonna be sideways, and maybe, you know, some days up into the right correction, right? Or we just range for like for the midterm. We're just gonna range and go sideways. So I don't know why people are so like on edge, right? Because like I keep saying time and time again, TONIC fundamentally sound altcoin. It's not like a meme coin that moves on its own and then you see a meme coin go to zero. Like Bitcoin is moving to the upside, and a Bitcoin and a meme coin is going to zero. TONIC is not like that. TONIC will move with the broader market. It's gonna follow Crow. When Crow is making moves to the upside, so will TONIC, right? So I don't know why people are worrying. This is the time you DCA, right? Not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But this is a time you DCA. Another 6 million sent to the dead wallet. Whoa, somebody taking their coins. Hayes sending 6 million to a dead wallet. You know, that'd be something cool, guys. The more the channel grows, I'm definitely gonna be doing giveaways, and I could actually, you know, do something like maybe a burn event, you know, a community burn event. But I think, you know, giveaways are much better. TONIC would be so cool to see some volume pickup from Castellano. Anybody here that was in Agents Tech Tuesday on Twitter, Crypto Hoarder, shout out to you. That Tech Tuesday from Agent 00, shout out to him. That was great. You know, that was absolutely great. Awesome stuff from G6. No sweat, I'll buy more. The comments are hilarious. I don't know, that's what I'm saying, guys. I don't know why so much people are on edge with the project. Just be patient, man. These are the times you're supposed to be accumulating and holding. Don't sell too early. Hold, because in a bull run everything sends. And they got projects that send more than others, which I think TONIC will be one of those. Okay, be patient. Yeah, this was just me pretty much explaining to you guys how I feel about TONIC, and you know what's going on with it, and you know, just going on a quick rant to say, hey, don't, you know, don't be too antsy, or don't worry about what others think. Trust your plan, stick to your conviction, guys. Like I say time and time again, when Crow is ready to make moves, so will TONIC, and I know that for a fact, guys. When Crow was making moves, when Bitcoin was making moves, look at this move, it's right here. This was when TONIC was $10 million in market cap. What did Bitcoin do? It made this move to the upside, and then boom, TONIC. Bitcoin probably went up how much? Maybe like 5-10% from here, and then TONIC went almost 3x, right? 150%, 200%, 300%, because it went from 10 mil to 30 mil when Bitcoin only moved up like 15%, 20%. Think about that, right? Think about that, guys. Imagine when Bitcoin starts moving up 200, 300%. How much TONIC will move up? Guys, it's right there in front of you. Stop worrying about the people that are fudding or upset about the project. Trust yourself, trust your conviction, stick to your plan. TONIC is absolutely gonna crush it. TONIC fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in as always. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you can, support by becoming a channel member or hitting or supporting with a super comment. Really appreciate all the support that you guys give, and I continuously make content on such a banger of a project. Super happy to do it. Thank you guys once again. I'll be dropping more videos talking about CZ and how he could be warning us in the next video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.